Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to crochet a square joint pattern with the border, like this border. Okay, okay, okay. Let's start with the 10 chain. Join with slip stitch. Then we are going to make one chain or two single crochet in each chain. So we will have 20 single crochet. Okay, we have completed 20 chain 20 single crochet. Sorry, now we are going to make 9 chain, then we are going to skip 4 stitch 1 2 3 4, then we are going to make this one single crochet here in the next, then again 9 chain, skip 4, one single crochet. This is 4 times. Okay, okay, now we are going to make one single crochet, then one half double crochet, then 11 double crochet in the chain space. Okay, then again one half double crochet and one single crochet. Okay, one single crochet, one half double crochet, 11 double crochet, one half double crochet, one single crochet. We are going to repeat this again, one single crochet, one half double crochet and 11 double crochet. We are going to repeat this all over again in the 4 chain space, 4 side, in the 4 side one. Completed in 4 side. Okay, now we are going to slip stitch in the half double crochet. We skip the single crochet, we are slip stitch in the half. We're going to make 5 chain, skip 2, 1 2, 5 chain again, skip 2, skip 2, 5 chain again, skip 2 in the half double crochet, then 5 chain again in this side of half double crochet. Okay, so in this side we will have 4 5 chain 1, 4, 5 chain 1 2 3 4, and the middle one. So we are going to repeat this in the balance strip. Okay, you see we have 4 1 2 3 4 chain, then in the middle one 1 2 3 4, middle 1 2 3 4, in the middle 1 2 3 4. Okay, now it's in the end here. At the end here we'll make 2 chain, and the chain here we started here, we'll make 1 double crochet. At the end only we will have 1 double crochet, 2 chain with 1 double crochet. Okay, now we are going to make 5 chain. We are going to single crochet in the chain space. Okay, repeat this. Okay, we complete till here. At the end here, just now we did 2 chain with 1 double crochet. Now we are going to make 2 chain with 1 double crochet. Then this is row. After this the chain. Now we are going to make 9 chain. This 9 chain we are going to make 4 times every corner, 4 corner. Okay, because this is a square pattern, isn't it? So now 9 chain, you're going to attach here with single crochet, 5 chain. In between these 9 chain, 4 corner, we'll have 5 chain. See, 1 2 3. Now we are going to have 4 here. After that we are going to make 9 chain. So you see, this corner to this corner, in the between we have 4 chain space. So we are going to repeat this 4, then 9, 4 again, 9. Okay, repeat this. Okay, we're going to end up this row. So with 2 chain, 1 single crochet. Sorry, 1 double crochet. Okay, 1 double crochet. Then we are going to repeat 8 double crochet. Then we are going to make chain here, 1 chain, and we join the other side. We are going to attach together with this. Okay, now we are going to attach here 1 single crochet, 1 chain, then we are going to 8 double crochet again. Then we are going to make single crochet at the 5 chain space here. Then we're going to make 2 chain. We're going to attach in the 5 chain space here. Then again 2 chain, we attach this side. 2 chain, we are going to attach the other side. Then 2 chain this side. 2 chain the other side. 2 chain. We are going to attach this side. See, this 1 2 3, here 1 2 3 we attach together. Here the corner we attach. Okay, now we are going to make double crochet, 8 double crochet. Okay, can see like this. Okay, now we are going to finish it. You see, 5 chain space, 2 5 chain space. Previously we did double crochet, 2 chain with double crochet, but now we are going to finish up with 5 chain. Just slip stitch here with the first double crochet here. And fasten like this. Can see? See? It's very pretty pattern. Okay, now after this, okay, now we are going to make border here. I'm going to show you how to make border. Okay, single crochet here. Okay, you make 8 chain. 3 chain equal to 1 double crochet and 5 chain for the space. Then inside here we are going to make 1 double crochet. Okay, like this. Then we are going to make, after this we are going to skip 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, we skip. We are going to make 5 chain. This is like V stitch. Okay. Then we are going to make like this. After this we are going to make here in the chain space here 1 double crochet, then 5 chain, 1 double crochet. Then we are going to repeat here 1 double crochet, 5 chain, 1 double crochet in the same place like this. This is how we make border. Okay, one double crochet, 5 chain and 1 double crochet in the same place like this. Once I finish, I show you. Okay, I complete all the side. Okay, now I'm going to slip stitch here. Okay, now we are going to make again 8 chain and we are going to do 1 double crochet over here. Then we are going to make here, you see this one, we are going to make 1 double crochet, 5 chain and we are going to make 1 again over here. See, just now like this, now like this, just now like this, now like this. Okay, now we are going to make in the other one. Okay, see, like this. This is how you do the border. Now you can see this one like this, here and here, like that. Okay, can you see like flower like this here, over here? That's how we do. So you continue doing all the 4 rounds here. Okay, once complete I'll show you. Okay, see, complete already. Now we are going to join here with slip stitch. Okay, if cut off, hide all the tails there. Okay, I add up 2 rows of border here. Okay, you can add more rows for the border, and you can make longer also. It's just a joining pattern with the border. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Thank you.